Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable the Make Follow primary action on LinkedIn. This feature allows you to change the default call to action on your profile from connect to follow, which can be particularly useful if you're receiving a lot of unwanted connection requests, or if you simply want to share your content with a wider audience without having to manage a large network of connections. To start, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, click on the Me icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, but we're not going to stay here for long. Instead, we need to access the settings. Tap on the Settings and Privacy option. This will open a new menu where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Scroll down until you see the Visibility option and tap on it. This section allows you to control how others interact with your profile. Now, scroll down further until you reach the Followers section. Here, you'll find the option to Make Follow Primary. This is the setting we're interested in. By enabling this feature, you're telling LinkedIn to display a follow button as the primary action on your profile instead of the usual connect button. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Make Follow Primary to the Yes position. Once you've done this, the default button on your profile will change to Follow. This means that when people visit your profile, they'll be encouraged to follow you, rather than send a connection request. By making this change, you can focus on sharing your content with a broader audience without the need to manage a large network of connections. People can still choose to connect with you if they wish, but they'll have to click on the More button and select Connect from the drop-down menu. This can help reduce unwanted connection requests and make it easier for you to manage your online presence on LinkedIn. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily switch your LinkedIn profile to prioritize followers over connections. This can be a powerful tool for influencers, content creators, or anyone looking to expand their reach on the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on how to maximize your LinkedIn experience.